Welcome to Easy English Listening Practice. Today, you will listen to a warm and meaningful story. This story is easy. The sentences are short. The words are simple. You can relax. You can listen slowly. You can listen again and again. Do not worry if you do not understand everything. Just listen. Just enjoy. Today's story is called KIMCHI, a story of taste and change. This is a story about a boy. At first, he does not like kimchi, but slowly, something changes. Now, take a deep breath and let us begin. Before you listen, just look 5 vocabularies that I give you today. Chapter 1. I do not like kimchi. My name is Jisoo. I live in Korea. In Korea, kimchi is everywhere. Kimchi is on the table. Kimchi is in the fridge. Kimchi is at every meal. But I do not like kimchi. No, I really do not like it. When I was a child, my mother gave me kimchi. Try it, she said. I looked at it. Red, spicy, smells strong. I did not want it. I took a small bite. Very small. Then, no, I said. Too spicy, too sour, too strong. I shook my head. I do not like kimchi, I said. My mother smiled. It is okay, she said. You will like it one. But I did not believe her. For many years, I did not eat kimchi. At school, my friends ate kimchi. At lunch, I did not believe her. Everyone had kimchi, but not me. I ate rice. I ate soup, but no kimchi. My friends laughed. No kimchi? They said. I smiled. No kimchi, I said. I was different, and I was okay with that. Chapter 2. Family Dinner. One evening, we had a big dinner. My grandmother came. My aunt came. My cousins came. The table was full. Rice, soup, meat, vegetables, and kimchi. So much kimchi. Different kinds. Cabbage, kimchi, radish kimchi, white kimchi, spicy kimchi. Everywhere. My grandmother smiled. She looked at me. Jisoo, she said, do you eat kimchi now? I smiled. A small smile. No, I said. She looked surprised. No kimchi? She said. I shook my head. No kimchi. She laughed softly. When I was young, she said, I made kimchi with my mother. She told stories, long stories, about winter, about family, about food. Everyone listened. Everyone smiled. I listened too. Slowly, I looked at the kimchi, not just food, something more, something special, but still, I did not eat it. Chapter 3. A day with grandmother. The next day, I stayed with my grandmother. She lived in a small house. It was quiet, very quiet. She woke up early, very early. I woke up too. She was in the kitchen. She was making something. What are you doing? I asked. Kimchi, she said. I stopped. Kimchi? I said. Yes, she said. Come and see. I walked closer. There were vegetables, cabbage, garlic, salt, red pepper, so many things. She worked slowly, carefully. Her hands moved gently. This is how we make kimchi, she said. I watched. She washed the cabbage. She added salt. She waited. She mixed spices. She tasted. She smiled. It is good, she said. I watched for a long time. The smell was strong, but not bad. Different, warm, real. Do you want to try? She asked. I looked at her. I looked at the kimchi. I felt something, a small feeling, not fear, not dislike, something new, maybe curiosity. I took a small piece, very small. I looked at. Then I took a bite. Slowly, very slowly. And this time, it was different. Chapter 4. A new taste I chew slowly, very slowly. I feel the taste, spicy, a little sour, a little salty, but not bad, not bad at all. I look at my grandmother. She smiles. How is it? She asks. I think. I chew again. It is okay, I say. She laughs. Only okay? She says. I smile. Maybe. Good, I say. She is happy. Very happy. Good, she says. Very good. I take another bite. This time, I am not afraid. This time, I feel curious. I chew again. Slowly. I feel more. The taste is strong, but also deep, warm, real. I eat one more piece, then one more. My grandmother watches me. She smiles all the time. You see? She says. Kimchi is special. I nod. Maybe she is right. Maybe kimchi is special. That day, something changes. A small change, but important. Very important. Chapter 5. Learning to make kimchi. After that day, I stay with my grandmother more. I watch her work. I watch her cook. And I watch her make kimchi again. This time, I help. Wash the cabbage, she says. Okay, I say. I wash it. Cold water, fresh water. I feel the leaves. Soft. Green. Then she says, add salt. I add salt. Carefully. She watches me. Good, she says. I feel proud. Very proud. We wait. We talk. She tells stories. About her life. About her mother. About old days. Slow life. Simple life. Happy life. Then we mix spices. Red pepper. Garlic. Fish sauce. Strong smell. But now, I do not mind. I mix. Slowly. My hands are red. But I smile. We put the spices on the cabbage. Every leaf. Every part. Slowly. Carefully. This is love, she says. I look at her. Love? I ask. Yes, she says. When you make food, you give love. I think about that. Food is not just food. It is feeling. It is memory. It is love. That day, I learned something new. Not just about kimchi, but about life. Chapter 6. Sharing with fire ends. A few days later, I go back home. I bring kimchi, the kimchi we made. My kimchi. I feel excited. I meet my friends. We sit together. We eat lunch, rice, soup, and kimchi. I put the kimchi on the table. My kimchi, I say. They look surprised. You made this? They ask. Yes, I say. With my grandmother. They smile. They try it. One bite, then another bite. It is good, they say. Very good. I feel warm, very warm. Before, I did not eat kimchi. Now, I share kimchi. Before, I was different. Now, I feel the same. We laugh. We eat together. That moment is simple, but special. Very special. Chapter 7. A memory one night. I sit alone. I open the fridge. I see the kimchi. I take a small plate. I sit down. I take a bite. Slowly. I close my eyes. I remember my grandmother. Her hands. Her smile. Her voice. Kimchi is love, she said. I smile. Now, I understand. Kimchi is not just food. It is memory. It is family. It is time. Every bite tells a story. Every taste brings a feeling. I eat slowly. I feel calm. I feel warm. I feel happy. Very happy. Chapter 8. Change inside me. Now, I eat kimchi every day. Not a lot, but a little. And I enjoy it. I enjoy the taste. I enjoy the feeling. I feel different. Before, I said, I do not like kimchi. Now, I say, I like kimchi. A small change, but a big meaning. I learned something important. Sometimes, we do not like something, but we do not understand it. When we learn more, when we try again, things can change. We can change. Slowly, gently, naturally. Chapter 9. Proud of my culture. One day, I meet a foreign friend. He asks me, "What is kimchi?" I smile. Before, I did not know what to say. But now, I know. I tell him, kimchi is Korean food, but it is more than food. It is tradition. It is family. It is love. He listens. He smiles. Can I try? He asks. Of course, I say. He takes a bite. His eyes open wide. It is strong, he says. I laugh. Yes, I say, but it is good. Now, I feel proud. Proud of kimchi. Proud of my culture. Proud of my story.